SEO Writing AI has launched some new features to streamline your content creation workflow, all inspired by user feedback gathered over time. Stick around to hear about the updates in detail, and if you're interested in getting a 50% discount on SEO Writing AI, check out the first video linked in the description below. Let's dive into the updates. First up is a big enhancement for those using the bulk article generation feature. Now, when generating blog posts in bulk, SEO Writing AI allows you to add a customized outline for each post. You can import outlines directly from an Excel file, helping you maintain a consistent and organized structure across all your content. For those in a hurry, there's also a one-click outline generation option, so whether you want detailed control or a quick setup, this feature has you covered. Next is a major improvement for WordPress users: custom post type publishing. In the past, SEO Writing AI limited publishing to standard blog posts on WordPress. Now, you can publish content as various post types, including pages and any custom post types you have set up. This added flexibility lets you control exactly how your content appears on your site, allowing you to better customize your website's layout and content delivery. Finally, SEO Writing AI has launched a new publishing to website interface. This redesigned, intuitive interface provides easier navigation and improved functionality, making it even simpler to publish directly to your site. The goal is to make content publishing as seamless as possible, saving you time and effort. These updates are available now, so if you use SEO Writing AI, check out the link in this video's description to start exploring these new features. And if you'd like an in-depth tutorial on how to get the best out of SEO Writing AI, make sure you watch this video on your screen right now. If you liked this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such AI-related videos. Thanks for watching.